Amazing health benefits of garlic milk 2017. Garlic milk, a powerful health balm, cures cough, asthma, pneumonia, tuberculosis, cardiac problems, arthritis, insomnia and many other diseases. Preparation and use. There are many natural products that can help you for various medical conditions. Here is a recipe for a beverage that works as a medicine and which is easily and simply prepared. Its field of activity is quite wide and its medicinal properties successfully helping to eliminate many diseases. This healthful beverage is called garlic milk because it is made of warm milk and garlic. Garlic milk recipe. Ingredients: 500 milliliters milk, 10 sea garlic cloves, 2-3 small spoons of sugar, 250 milliliters water. Procedure: mix milk and water in a pot. Put the peeled and chopped garlic and put on fire, over medium heat. Let it cook slowly, until liquid has evaporated half. Then strain and add sugar. It is best to drink while it's hot. Health benefits of garlic milk: cure asthma, pneumonia, cardiac problems, jaundice, arthritis, insomnia, cough, pulmonary tuberculosis, cholesterol, digestive health, impotence, sciatica.